Good morning, myself Nelitum brings you today's news update. On Tuesday, collectively KSA and the Red Cross Society organizes awareness program in several schools and distributed masks among student, teaching and non-teaching staff. The KSA, in collaboration with Red Cross Society, organizes 2 days awareness program on COVID-19 pandemic in around Parkwa, Dokmoka and Bukolia on Tuesday. The organizer visited several schools and distributed masks in the greater interest for the awareness of COVID-19 pandemic among the students as well as the teaching and non-teaching staff of the school. Likewise, the organizer holds awareness program in Virver High School, Dengao HS School, Parkwa HS School, Okareng HS School and Pandikat High School. Red Cross Society General Secretary Borsing Phangchuk, KSA Bukolia District Committee President and Khonsing Timung Wilson Rongpi Sukla Teron and Parkwa KSA branch were the people behind the success of the awareness program. Ultra bus bearing registration number AS01BC3145 heading towards Bokajan from Dipu collided near Mukhim Rongpi village on Tuesday, injuring some passengers. As per source, the seriously injured passengers were rushed to the nearest Bokajan CHC for medical attention. No loss of life is reported from ground zero. The bus was later recovered by the Bokajan police from the site of mishap, where police officials confirmed that the bus driver and helper were found missing from the site of the incident. In the presence of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, EM Jagat Singh Ingti, the first semi-final match of the ongoing Inter-Club Football League held in memory of late Borsing Ingti kicked off on Tuesday. The Inter-Club Football League, which Balipathar Sport Associations hosted in Sangtihidi Playground on Tuesday, kicked off the first semi-final match among Debojan FC and Dilai Langso FC. Debojan FC qualified the final, beating Dilai FC 7-0, while in the post-match ceremony, Mona Lisa Tisopi handed over the Best Player Award to Siva Chetri of Debojan Football Club. Adi viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.